Ever wondered how long your machines will last before they fail? There are two key measurements: mean time to failure, or MTTF, and mean time between failures, or MTBF. MTTF is the lifespan of something that can't be repaired, like this light bulb. Once it burns out, it's done. MTBF is different. It measures the time between breakdowns for repairable things like this conveyor belt. It gets fixed, runs again, and the cycle repeats. Let's dive into the calculations. MTTF, or mean time to failure, is calculated by dividing the total uptime by the number of units. On the other hand, MTBF, which stands for mean time between failures, is calculated by dividing the total uptime by the number of failures. So, why is knowing your MTTF and MTBF important? Well, it means less downtime, fewer surprises, and more efficient maintenance. Understanding these metrics can significantly improve the reliability and efficiency of your operations. Keep your factory humming. Understand your MTTF and MTBF to maximize your uptime. By keeping these metrics in mind, you can ensure smoother operations and less unexpected maintenance.